Hey guys, episode 42 of the crypto portfolio series. So crash time. This is 55,000 down from last week. So this is 25% down from the all-time high on Bitcoin, which is not too bad in comparison to sort of 2017. We had 30% or more, sort of 5 times. So 25% down isn't really too bad. Just sort of resets all the people sort of on 100x leverage and sort of takes out some of the weak hands, as they call them. And hopefully move from here. So fairly bullish, but yeah, you got to be prepared to lose this sort of thing, this sort of amount in a week or even a month, maybe a sort of prolonged period, if you want to take the gains. So just looking at some of the news this week, it's all still Bitcoin ETFs, aside from the reasons for the drop, which seems to have been capital gains tax rises in the US, sort of hit the traditional markets as well and hits crypto a little bit. And Turkey had an exchange. The founder seems to have shut the exchange and run off with the money, basically. And I think that was 2 billion in crypto, sort of instantly sold off. He hasn't tried to keep it. He sort of liquidated the whole lot, as I understand. So that created a hell of a lot of selling pressure. And everyone sort of jumped on that and sold as well. So, but yeah, I'm still bullish about US ETFs hopefully going through. Some more have been announced. There's 3 active with the US SEC, VanEck and Wisdom Tree, and now this new one. And there's 9 in the works at the moment, including Grayscale potentially changing their trust to an ETF. So some of the Canadian Toronto Exchange ETFs got sort of $500 million in the first day, or first week, I think it was. So a US one with big boy money should hopefully do a bit better. And we can get away from this little dip. So, yeah, Bitcoin in the last week, looking at 12% down. So this is sort of part of a larger move from 47,000 nearly. And, yeah, not too bad. Ethereum on the week, pretty much flat. Did break all-time highs during the week. The sort of Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio is sort of going up and up at the moment on the longer term. Nearly sort of 20 Ethereum per Bitcoin now. So, yeah, certainly bullish on Ethereum. Cardano sort of down with the market, 10%. Not too bad. Litecoin, 16%. That's did sort of break new highs recently on the month. So, yeah, it's had a fair pullback. Tends to. OMG taking a real hit, 23%. But, that's part of sort of low cap or lower cap altcoins. Stellar the same, pretty much, 17%. Most of these are going to be sort of down similar percentages, really. Yeah, XRP 24% down. This is in a week, so, you know, altcoins are even worse than Bitcoin. Some of these will be down sort of 40 or 50% from the all-time highs. Tron down nearly 26% in a week. But yeah, sort of even more than that if you take it from all-time high. Basic attention token, 20% down. Don't normally see these sort of big moves in basic attention token. So Yeah, take that one on the chin. EOS nearly 24%. Most of the altcoins do seem to be down sort of a similar amount. Dash not quite so much, 15%. Power Ledger sort of fairly illiquid, so that's down 26%, taking it pretty hard. And I bought into a couple more in the dip. I thought I'd go for a couple of real low cap altcoins, Cocos and QuantStamp. Cocos, I think, is the sort of open source development program for sort of gaming. Seems to have quite a lot of developers, quite a lot of adoption. But I think this is sort of just, they're not really sure what to do with the token, to be honest. But I kind of like that to, I like them to have adoption, but just sort of finding a reason to use the token rather than not having the adoption. And QuantStamp is sort of cybersecurity token. So again, I think the company is sort of working with a lot of big players, but they're not 100% sure how to use the token. I think they're taking fiat currency, US dollars, for their services, where they just sort of started with just accepting crypto or their token. Sort of realised that wasn't going to work, so they've started accepting dollars and trying to find a reason to use the token. But yeah, these are sort of, I think, in the 500 and 600s range in market cap. So normally I say I go for sort of coins in the top 100. These are down outside. One of them, QuantStamp, I think, is outside the top 500. So these are very, very low cap. Could do well. Thought I'll just take a bit of a punt on them in the dip, rather than, I mean, I could have put £500 in stocks. So I put 250 in each of these instead. Already come down. QuantStamp's down quite a bit even from what I bought at. So we'll see how they go. But yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Bit rough, but I'm sure it's a temporary dip. Hold on and see where we go from here. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.